Y'all, I am so happy. Hey, who's turning on the stove? That's Wesley.
Wesley.
I am in here in my kitchen. I don't think this has ever happened before, y'all, but I have 4 grandsons in my kitchen begging to make the Lady and Sons lemonade. This is Matthew, which we call Maddie. This is Henry, which we call Henry. This is Sullivan, which we call Sully. And who is this back here?
Wesley.
That's Wesley. This is Sullivan's friend, and he's visiting. And the newest one in the James Deen family is Davis. Hey. So, all right, guys. Now, when I make, thank you. When I make lemonade, y'all got to listen to Guinea. When I make lemonade, it takes much more sugar than tea because lemons are really tart. So I want y'all to start by rolling these and loosening it up. You can put them in the microwave for maybe 15 seconds and that will help juice it. So y'all get up here and y'all roll these lemons and limes. And I'm gonna put the sugar in the pitcher for you. And
I'm gonna get water. Here, wait.
okay, but you have to watch it. It can't take long. You just have to put pressure on it.
Okay.
Come on, do those muscles.
James, don't rub it. Roll it.
All right, for a pitcher of lemonade, y'all, I use 3 cups of sugar for a pitcher. That's why you like it so, because it's sweet like you.
All right.
Now, Davis, you can't participate in this, baby, because it's time to cut the lemons in 2. And I don't think Mommy, all right, see it? Yeah. There you go.
Where you want me to put?
Up there on the big cut.
You don't get to cut all of them. I'll speak.
Yes, we need to cut all of them.
Why are you doing it?
Oh, y'all want to take, okay, Henry, it's your turn now.
It's sour now. Henry's facing up. No, Matthew's turn.
Matthew.
Matthew facing up. Ooh. Precise.
Yes.
Ooh.
Matthew is precise.
All right. Wesley, go ahead. You can do the last one. Oh, shoot.
All right, here, somebody start. You know what? I'm going to stick these in the microwave for a second. Do y'all remember me telling you that this was my Uncle Bob's juicer?
Oh, David, stop.
They lived in Winter Haven, Florida, and they had fruit trees. Are y'all listening to me?
Yes, sir.
They had fruit trees all in the yard, and Uncle Bob would go out in the morning, pick the fruit, come in, and make juice for the family. So he is no longer with us, but my Aunt Beth, his wife, wanted me to have his juicer. I'm going to test y'all after this.
Whose juicer was it?
Uncle Bob's juice. Uncle Bob's.
And where did he live?
Like Haven, Florida.
Like Haven.
Yeah.
Winter Haven.
Winter Haven, same thing, right?
Close. And Uncle Bob was so very handsome. He was a model in New York.
Ooh.
And but he retired back into Winter Haven. I'll show y'all some pictures one day. That would be your great uncle. Would that what it be? Yeah. Would that what it be? All right. So the first thing you have to remember is put a bowl there. Because if you start juicing, juice will go everywhere. All right, so I can't remember where it turns on. Do y'all remember?
It should be on the front of the switch.
Right here. Right here.
Oh, okay, good.
I think.
Yep.
Is that it?
Is it plugged? Check the...
Yeah, it's plugged in, but they probably hit the same. Okay. All right, now y'all take turns doing the juicing. Okay, put it to the side. Don't throw them away. Because we may drop some of those like right back down in our pitcher.
Wait, can we grade like the outside and
Huh. Zest it. I don't think we need to do that.
Go down it and push it down. Can you reach?
There you go, Davis.
Push
You got it.
harder.
All right, now I need to get over here. I need a stirrer.
I take it out. Take this on. Take this off.
You saturate.
Uh-huh.
All right, now I've got your sugar. Listen to me, guys. Listen to me, please. I've got your sugar in the pitcher, and I added hot water to it. So it'll dissolve that sugar, so y'all won't have to wait.
You gotta take your clothes to the left. Yeah. Oh, David, sit down wrong. Because this is like good. There, no.
You did good, Davis. You a star. You was a star. All of my viewers.
That's good, Dave.
All of my viewers over the years know Jack better than anybody because Jack is the oldest. He was the first. And so this is Jack's youngest brother, and this is Jack's middle brother.
David, sit. Grab it like this. You squeeze down into the head pan, and you can push harder. Yeah, like that.
There you
Push
go.
harder.
I love this juicer. You could never get that much juice out of using the hand way. Sullivan is our baseball star. What, baby? Yeah, do another one.
I'll do a lot.
Yeah, do a lime. We're going to have kind of lime lemonade. All of the guys are into sports. Henry's sport is baseball, or is it,
Baseball.
and Maddie's is football. And you love basketball too, don't you, Maddie? I love watching you on the basketball court. And Wes, what is your baseball too?
It's nice. You have to do it.
Anyway,
Davis, what are you gonna be?
what sport are you gonna do?
Basketball.
Basketball. That's good because you're gonna have the height. Tall people run in your family.
It smells like lemonade.
I know. All right, look, I'm gonna put a lemon underneath there, Henry. Yeah, to catch the juice, the dripping. There you go. You want to stir up the lemon and the sugar?
Heavy clean pop out.
Okay, we're gonna take this out, and then we're gonna reach in here like that, and we're gonna get all that pulp. Uh-oh, y'all may have some seeds with it, but that's all right. You'll know it's real, right?
Yep.
Not, we ain't doing no fake lemonade. Okay, so there you go.
Let's get it back on.
Oh, all that pulp is gonna make it so good. All right, I think it's time for us to start taste testing. What you think?
I don't want to taste
You don't want to taste it?
it.
It's delicious. All right, let's let Maddie taste it.
I taste it. How can I do that? Oh, it's so good.
Isn't it good?
It's so good. Watch out. Gimme kiss.
All right, guys, now I put these two in the microwave for a little while. Sullivan, you want to get some more ice, baby, so we can fill up your glasses? All right, we've got to make a toast. You know what a toast is. Oh, this is the lid to the pitcher. Okay. All right, can y'all, I don't have arms that long.
I got it.
But you have to make sure, it's on good. We don't want to spill.
Y'all hold this.
All right, who's going to make a toast?
So do this. White square.
You need your cup.
I know it.
Hey, oh, you did.
I don't have any ice either.
There's ice in the.
Take your best look.
Woo! All right, who's gonna make the toast?
That's good. I'll make. Wait, no. This is how you gotta do it. Let Henry do it. No, I don't know. Wesley,
That right up there. That's cute. Isn't that cute? Thank you. All right, does everybody have a cup that wants some? All right, who's the poet?
Sullivan.
You're the poet in the group.
No. Davis is the poet in the group. No, bro, it's Henry.
Well,
that's on
let's
Henry.
clink glasses. If Papa was in here, he would be able to tell us where this came from, what started the clinking of the glass and the toast. So you know what? I'll make the toast.
Okay.
How about that? Let me see. This toast is going to be for all my grandchildren that I love so very, very much, and I'm so proud of them. I've got 11. Let's see, 3 girls.
4 girls. Wait, 3 girls.
4 girls.
3 girls.
We know we got them, y'all. Might not be able to call all their names, but we. And Madison, yes. So to y'all and to Jack, who's leaving for Boston to attend Harvard College.
To catching 30 fish tomorrow.
Yes, because tomorrow
catching 30 fish tomorrow. Come on,
tomorrow
boys,
is
come on.
Aunt Peggy's birthday.
Oh,
She's gonna be 96
birthday.
years old tomorrow. To Aunt Peggy.
Chug 'em.
Love and best drinks, y'all. Who's happy boys?
Me.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.